Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wash and clean my dirty brushes and sponges. So to start off, these are my dirty brushes. I have a towel right here and it's rolled up a little bit so that when I'm drying my wet brushes, the water doesn't sit and it actually flows at the bottom of the towel. And here's what I like to use to actually wash my brushes with. This is just Dawn dish soap. I use dish soap because I feel like it really gets in when I'm trying to deep clean my brushes, especially after I've just finished with a client, which I will be washing client brushes today. If I'm just washing my own brushes, I'm going to probably be using baby shampoo or just any cheap shampoo you can find. I think any really works all the same. And then here I just have a dish that I'm going to be pouring the shampoo or dish soap in so that I can just easily dip the dirty brush into it. So to start off, I wet my brush and then I dip it into the dish liquid, and then I use the palm of my hand to scrub the brush back and forth until the brush is clean. Like I can't see no more shadow in there or nothing like that. Then I just go ahead and run the brush under the water and rinse it all out, scrubbing it again, making sure that I get all of that soap out. So that's just how I'm going to demonstrate how I wash my brushes, but how I actually do them is I wash all of them first with the soap and then I set them aside. And then once they're all washed, I go back in and rinse them all because I feel like when I just keep the water running and I'm not actually using it, it's just wasting a whole bunch of water. Now for my tiny brushes, once again I'm going to be using the brush cleaner pad at the bottom of my sink, but the same process like my face brushes. I'm going to be dipping the small brushes into the liquid and then scrubbing them on the pad to make sure that I'm getting all of that dirt that's been clogged up in the brush. Also, I don't point it out in the video, but the scrubber at the bottom of my sink is actually a makeup brush washer, and it's just from AliExpress. I'm pretty sure these are like $2. I'll leave a link for them down in the description box below, but I only use this on my small brushes, not really for my face brushes. And then once again, after I wash all of them with the soap, I go back in and rinse all of them. So for my beauty blenders, as you can see, this is pretty dirty. So to start off, I'm soaking the sponge, dipping my sponge in the soap, and then rubbing the sponge back and forth in my hands, swirling it around while it's underneath the water, really making sure that I get all that makeup out. Then once I see that all the makeup is out, I'm going to rinse it out many times to make sure that there's no more soap left in my sponge. And I actually use hot water. I feel like it just works better for my brushes. I don't really care about the temperature. To me, I don't think it really matters. But for my sponges, I find that using hot water really gets them clean. And this is what my clean beauty blender looks like now. Like, just look at the difference, the before and after. Yes. Alright, you guys, and that is it for this. I almost said makeup look. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope with this video you found an easy and simple way on how to clean your brushes. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye.